With fall around the corner, Spring Hill leaders are reminding neighbors that construction is not allowed at all hours. Their noise ordinance is changing. It changes depending on the season. News 2's Alicia Wimberly is joining us with the details in tonight's neighborhood news out of Spring Hill. Alicia.
That's right, Haley. Well, Spring Hill's construction ordinance will give residents a slight break from construction noise. And that ordinance allows construction during specific time periods only. In the summer, from June to August, construction was allowed Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. until 8 p.m. Now that September has begun, construction will only be allowed from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Work is not allowed on Sundays and city holidays like today. And if construction workers come early to the sites, all radios, noise equipment, and loud conversations are only allowed during work hours. Now, while there are some exceptions to the rules, the ordinance applies to any outside projects that want to call Spring Hill home. Haley.